The secret to going viral isn't one video, it's volume. The more content you put out, the more chances you have to hit the algorithm just right. But posting every day is hard when editing takes hours. That's where ShortBeast AI templates change the game. They let you create videos quickly without losing quality. You can turn a single idea into a polished video in minutes, then repeat the process over and over. By posting more viral ready content, you give yourself way more opportunities to grow faster than creators who are stuck editing all day. Want to post more content without burning out? Sign up with my link in the description and start using ShortBeast AI today.